Love set me in a flowery garden fair. Love showed me many marvels moving there. Love said, take these, if not thy soul does dare to feel my fiery hand upon thine heart. Take these and live, and lose the better part. Love showed me death and said, make no delay. Love showed me change and said, joy ebbs away. Love showed me eld amid regrets grown grey. I laughed for joy, and round his heart I clung, sickened and swooned by bitter sweetness stung. But I awoke at last, and born again, laid eager hands upon unrest and pain, and wrapped myself about with longing vain. Ah, better still, and better all things grew, as more the root and heart of love I knew. O love, 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 what is it thou hast done? All pains, all fears I knew, save only one. Where is the fair earth now? Where is the sun? Thou didst not say my love might never move, her eyes, her hands, her lips to bless my love.